How much astrophage you need, question?
2 million kilograms.
I can give. I go home 6 years slower.
That's too much.
Rocky watched crew die. Could not fix. Ray say Grace will die. Rocky fix. I thought you made peace. Question?
I didn't mean any of that. That's just something you say. Thank you. Get over here.
Whoa. What? What's happening?
A hug.
Oh.
It's usually not something one does by themselves.
Oh. Wait, I do the same?
Would you just get in here?